Welcome everyone. Welcome to another episode of Mail Call. So today we will be unboxing one of the parcels which we received from my friend Gabriel Lee. Most of the items here I have participated in auctions and purchased them from there. So we have around 30 cars here in this box, or close to 30. Let's see. So this is my fourth box from Gabriel. As you can right off see, the packaging is top notch. The way he parcels and delivers, no complaints. Very nice guy. He separated premiums and main lines, what I can see. So let's start right ahead with the premium ones. Right off the back I can see, although we are going for premiums, but there's a treasure hunt here from the Let's Race series. So I'm not a big fan of them, but I will keep it because I collect treasure hunts. The next one is from Race Day. So this is the Corvette Z4 from the Race Day series, Hot Wheels premiums. So I have a couple of more from this series as well. So it's Corvette C8R. Moving on to the next one. So we're gonna open this bubble wrap. I must give kudos to Gabriel because the way he did bubble wrap and the way he packaged his delivery, it's top notch. Big fan of this guy's packaging, I would say. So here are the premiums. First thing, it's from the Fast and Furious series, McLaren Senna. I'm a big fan of McLaren and especially this car as well. It has been on my radar for long. So I collected this one. The casting looks very cool. Moving on to the next one. It's from the race day again. So it's 2023 Nissan Z GT4. It's 4 out of 5 from the Race Day series. It's also a pretty neat casting. Moving on, this is another Race Day series, which is BMW 320's Group 5. So I have 3 out of 5 from this series already. So need to collect 2 more to wrap it up from this set. Moving on to the next one. So before moving on to the next one, I want to show all 3 of them. So the BMW, the Nissan and the Corvette. And this is from the Exotic Envy, which is 94 Bugatti. I hope it's clearly focused now. So yeah, this is from the Exotic Envy. Pretty straightforward, nothing fancy on the artwork there. And last not least, it's from the Japanese Classic series. I'm planning to collect all 5 from this series as well. So as you know, I collect Japanese or JDMs from mainlines as well. So it's a good collection here as well. So let's get this out of the way and move on to the main lines. We have a bunch of them. A couple of them are treasure hunt. So speaking of it, this is the first one. It's fantasy casting, but any day I will collect the treasure hunt. this is from a JDM, Japanese JDM imports, if I'm not mistaken. The Honda Civic, and another one is Honda CRX. Both are from JDM import series. I'm not sure about the year which it released, maybe 2023 or 2024, but these two I did not have previously. So I'm trying to collect all the JDM import sets. This is Acura NSX. I think I already have one, but I wanted to have one more to unbox, and this is Mazda Cosmos from another JDM imports set. Moving on. So this is Mazda RX-7. I'm not entirely sure which year this one released, but the casting looks very clean. And we have one more Mazda RX-7, which has the police decal, Japanese police decal in it. It's from the first response set. Most of them I will mainly gonna flip because I'm also gonna narrow down my collection, but I wanted to have this as well. So this is McLaren F1. I already have two of them. So this is my daughter's favorite car, so I mostly collect and give it to her to unbox and have her play. The next one is Mercedes Unimog. This is a treasure hunt. As you can see, the silver flames in just bottom of the card. It's definitely a rare one. I wanted to collect this piece, and I think I have. Oh no, I don't think I have. So this is Subaru BRZ. I thought I have one more treasure hunt to show you guys, but no. So this is Subaru BRZ from the JDM imports as well. This is this year's casting, most probably 2025. And last, these two are Mazda MX-5 Miatas. Two versions of it, but the black one I really like. This is close to that advanced set, but the decal looks close to that advanced series, but it's pretty neat and clean. And last but not least, we have one more to go, which is the McLaren P1. So this is also a very like maroonish, I would say, but very cool casting as well. As I shared earlier before, I'm a big fan of McLaren, so I collect, apart from JDMs, I collect some Euro cars. McLaren's is one of them. So as you can see, the color was not showing properly, so I just wanted to show you guys by laying down here. These two I would definitely say from the highlight of the main lines which I have collected, apart from the treasure hunts. But yeah, good bunch of cards I received this time around from Gabriel. Big shout out to him for arranging those auctions. See you next time.